iPhone 17 Air leaks. Apple's ultra-thin iPhone takes shape. The latest leaks surrounding the iPhone 17 Air have surfaced, giving us an exciting glimpse into what Apple has in store for its next-generation lineup. This upcoming model is rumored to be one of Apple's slimmest iPhones yet, featuring a sleek design, a large display, and solid camera capabilities. But how does it stack up against the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Let's break down everything you need to know about Apple's rumored super-thin iPhone. 1. Display. A perfect middle ground. According to leaks from trusted tipster at Aura, the iPhone 17 Air will feature a 6.7-inch screen with a resolution of 2796 by 1290 pixels. This puts it right between the 6.3-inch iPhone 17 Pro and the 6.9-inch iPhone 17 Pro Max. For those who prefer a slightly smaller alternative to the Pro Max but still want a large display, the iPhone 17 Air could be the perfect fit. It will likely use Apple's Super Retina XDR technology, ensuring vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness levels. While promotion, 120Hz refresh rate, has typically been reserved for Apple's Pro models, there's speculation that the iPhone 17 Air could finally receive a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations silky smooth. 2. Camera. A minimalist yet powerful setup. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to feature a 48MP main camera and a 12MP selfie camera. While these are the same resolutions found on the Pro Max, the major difference will be in the number of cameras. Unlike the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is expected to feature multiple rear cameras, the iPhone 17 Air may stick to a single rear camera. This decision aligns with Apple's previous non-Pro models, focusing on a simplified camera system while still delivering high-quality images using Apple's advanced image processing. The camera will still likely feature Deep Fusion and Smart HDR5 for enhanced details, Night Mode improvements for low-light photography, Cinematic Mode for professional-looking videos, Action Mode for stabilized video recording. The lack of a telephoto lens or LiDAR sensor might be a downside for photography enthusiasts, but for the average user, the iPhone 17 Air's camera should still be impressive. 3. Storage. A budget-friendly option. Apple is expected to offer the iPhone 17 Air with a 128GB base storage option, making it a more budget-friendly choice compared to the Pro Max, which is rumored to start at 256GB. Additional storage configurations will likely be available, with 256GB and 512GB options for users who need more space. However, Apple will probably skip the 1TB option, keeping that exclusive to the Pro lineup. 4. Ultra-thin design. Apple's slimmest iPhone yet? One of the most exciting features of the iPhone 17 Air is its ultra-thin design. Reports suggest it will measure just 5.59mm in thickness, making it one of the slimmest iPhones ever made. For comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is 8.25mm thick. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, rumored, is 8.1mm thick. The iPhone 17 Air, rumored, is 5.59mm thick. If these leaks are accurate, Apple is clearly prioritizing a sleek and lightweight design for this model. However, with such a thin body, concerns arise about battery life and durability. To maintain durability, Apple might use a new titanium alloy or ceramic shield enhancements to make the phone more resistant to bends and drops. 5. Battery life. Can it handle the slim design? With a super-thin design, many wonder how Apple will manage battery life. Reports suggest that the iPhone 17 Air will feature a next-generation battery technology designed to maintain strong battery life despite its slim form factor. Leaks hint at Apple using a stacked battery design, similar to what's found in electric vehicles. This could allow higher energy density for longer-lasting battery life, faster charging speeds, better heat dissipation to prevent overheating. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to gain weight due to an even bigger battery, making it a battery powerhouse for power users. 6. Design. A bold new camera bar? Leaked renders of the iPhone 17 Air suggest a bold new raised camera bar extending across the top of the back casing, similar to Google's Pixel 8 series. This marks a departure from Apple's traditional vertical or square camera module designs, potentially giving the iPhone 17 Air a unique identity within the iPhone 17 series. Color options remain a mystery, but we can expect a mix of pastel and classic shades, such as Midnight Black, Starlight White, Blue Mist, Sunset Gold. 7. Performance. The A18 chip? No iPhone refresh would be complete without a chipset upgrade. While the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to feature the powerful A19 Pro chip, the iPhone 17 Air might come with the A18 chip, offering improved power efficiency, better AI processing for Siri and on-device tasks, enhanced GPU performance for gaming. While not as powerful as the Pro models, the A18 chip should still provide flagship-level performance, ensuring a smooth experience for everyday tasks, gaming, and video editing. 8. Competition. The year of ultra-thin smartphones? The iPhone 17 Air isn't the only ultra-thin smartphone launching in 2025. Other brands are also pushing the limits of slim designs. Oppo Find N5, the world's thinnest foldable. Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, rumored to have a super slim profile. With these devices hitting the market, 2025 could be the year of the ultra-thin smartphone, and Apple is clearly joining the trend with the iPhone 17 Air. 9. Price and release date. While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, leaks suggest the iPhone 17 Air could start at $799, making it a mid-range flagship option between the standard iPhone 17 and the Pro models. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 lineup in September 2025.